Ask yourselves, why do I do wudu the way I do wudu? Why? If you want to study the Qur'an and Hadith directly yourself, why don't you first of all begin with the basics? Learn how to do wudu from the Qur'an, and then learn how to pray your salah from the Qur'an. Learn how to pray your salah from the Qur'an. You know, by trying to do that, all you're doing is reinventing the wheel. I met a person once who was the leader of a group of young individuals. Well, not young, but he was the leader of a group of individuals. He was regarded as being their teacher, their leader, etc. And I don't say this in a disrespectful manner because I had a very cordial conversation with him. I said to him, we were discussing salah. And I said to him, well, how do you perform your salah? Well, we were talking about salah. So he explained to me how he performed the salah. I said, well, we do this. So I said, that's strange. 2 years ago, you didn't do that. You were doing something else. So he says, yeah, some new knowledge has come. Some new knowledge has come. So I said, okay, what about this part of salah? He goes, yeah, we used to do this before, we now do this. Okay. So he went through a few different motions and masail of salah that had undergone a change over the past few years. So I asked him a question. I said, how long have you been working? How long have you and your colleagues of the same understanding, how long have you been trying to work on perfecting your salah and therefore developing it in different ways with different motions, different functions, different masail, different methods? She said, for the past 30 years. So I said, subhanallah, glory be to the scholars of Islam after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I said, brother, you know, salah is just one mas'ala of deen, and religion has over 1 million masail. I said, subhanallah, why are you torturing yourselves? Over 30 years you still haven't been able to master your salah. You keep on changing the rules of salah, and you haven't even moved on beyond salah. Give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He enabled the ulama of the past to record and to deposit for us and to store for us a whole set of laws that contain over 1 million masail that deal with every aspect of Islamic life, from personal purity to the politics of the state. Yeah, over 30 years you still haven't been able to sort out your salah. Why, brother? Don't torture yourself. It's simple. Rely on the expertise and the understanding of the ulama of the past. Now, you won't be following them. You won't be following a person. These people have this idea that no, it's haram to follow a person. We have to follow the Qur'an and Sunnah. We have to follow the Qur'an and Sunnah. But that's what everybody says. But does anybody really follow the Qur'an and Sunnah directly? No. Let's say Imam Hussein here, he comes up to me and he says, brother, don't follow the fiqh of Abu Hanifa or the fiqh of Shafi or the fiqh of Malik. Follow the Qur'an and Sunnah directly. So I said, okay brother, it makes sense. We shouldn't be following men, their opinions. We should be following the Qur'an and Sunnah directly. So what do I do then? So he pulls out the verse of the Qur'an and he says, look, this is the verse of the Qur'an. He pulls out a book of hadith and he says, look, this is what the Prophet ﷺ says. So I said, okay, I should follow this then. Yes. Alhamdulillah, I feel content. I'm following the Qur'an and I'm following the Sunnah directly. I'm only deluding myself. I'm not. I'm ultimately following him. Because he's told me what the verse is supposed to mean, and he's pointed out one hadith to me from a collection of thousands. So I'm going by what he is saying. So what happens? You divert your following from the likes of Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayhi to your friend who used to go to school with you. That's all that happens, and you're deluding yourself into thinking that mashallah I'm following the Qur'an and Sunnah. Brothers, nobody follows the Qur'an and Sunnah directly. Nobody. Even the Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala anhum, who did they follow the Qur'an and Sunnah through? Not directly, through the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Those who came after them, they followed the Qur'an and Sunnah, not directly, but through their companions, through the Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala anhum. And that's continued till today. So it's your choice. You know, you either try to reinvent the wheel, torture yourself, go through many developing stages, many stages of evolution in your understanding of religion, okay? And then go back to square one. Or you rely on the expertise of the ulama of the past, on the understanding that Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi didn't follow his own understanding. He followed the Qur'an and the Sunnah on the understanding of his teachers, and their teachers were the Sahaba radiyallahu ta'ala.